I wanted to kind of start by introducing myself, but I think I should address the costume in the room, which is that yes, I'm dressed up for the Diwali themed party we are having tonight, which basically means we are going to have spicy Indian food paired with beer and Bollywood music. So yeah, so hope you are going to stay on for that. My name is Chetan. I'm originally from south of India, a city called Bangalore. But what I considered home for the last 10 years was Dubai, where I was living and working as a marketing guy largely. I worked with a company called AC Nielsen. Some of you might have heard the market research company for almost 7 years. And then I kind of transitioned to working as head of marketing in a furniture company and mattress making company in Dubai. That is when kind of I had the chance to kind of start playing with a lot of product design and heading the product design in my company. And the whole idea of I should pursue this more seriously because I feel more passionate about it and I feel less angry about it when I'm in office. And so I kind of tinkered with the idea for 3 long years. I went quite around the world looking for programs, actually in Milan, Barcelona. I went to Stanford campus, I went to MIT, I went to Harvard campuses. And finally, I realized that this is the program I really want to take up and commit myself to, put my career and job and very comfortable lifestyle away in Dubai, because I think this program suited every requirement that I was looking for. Quick 1-year program. It kind of lets me not come necessarily with a mechanical engineering background or an architectural background or a designer background that I don't have, because I'm a graduate of commerce and then I did my MBA. So this program was very welcoming of that, and so everything seemed perfect fit, and so I kind of jumped in to take up this program. And ever since I came here on the 15th of August, it's been a fantastic ride. I have enjoyed greatly every single day of the class. And of course, suffering a lot of self-doubt and anxiety several days, especially the last 2 weeks. Especially my friends back home who have been asking me how the program is, because they all think I'm quite crazy to have left behind a life in Dubai and 15 years of work experience to do design. And I said that I'm being constantly overwhelmed by the program, and I'd rather be overwhelmed by a great program than be underwhelmed by a bad program, because it's a serious gamble I have taken to take such a big break in my life and come here. So I'd rather have more things thrown at me than I can handle than much less things than I feel like, oh God, this is not what I signed up for. So yeah, it's been a fantastic program. We have sat on the steps of Times Square and meditated and discussed a 19th century architectural critique. We have gone to Manitoba, to the museums, and to offices of several really important architects. And the program has barely started. So I think it's going to be a fantastic ride. I'm really looking forward to that. And I'm having a great time so far. And what's been also really interesting is the group of classmates I've had here. Not the kind of classmates I had in MBA. All 60 of us were pretty much the same people. Here, 12 people are probably way more than 12 people, because the number of opinions we bring in the conversation is never what I expect to turn out. It's way too tangential, it's way too surprising every time, and I think it's fantastic for me to kind of factor in what design should be, to be kind of factor in things that's way out of your comfort zone, but also way out of what you could have ever imagined if you're in your own head. So it's been a great program so far. And well, that's all I wanted to say. So look forward to Bollywood and beer and Indian food soon. Thanks.